what's going on? It's Megalodon Gamer, and I literally cannot wait to show you these vehicles that I can find. I've been spending ages trying to look for these, so let's just get straight into the video. The first spawn location is here, and it's for the Bulldozer. So basically the Bulldozer is a vehicle like so basically you can tip anything. You can tip police cars, you can tip trucks, you can tip if you're online in this case, but this is story mode, you'll be able to tip MOCs over. Look how much destruction I'm causing to this car. It isn't like a really fast vehicle, but it's fun. It's really fun because you can literally just cause destruction all over Los Santos. It spawns here 110%. I've never seen a time where it hasn't thingied. It hasn't spawned. But look, you can torture people as well. You just you run them over. Like, wait, get up. Thank you. Ah, no, don't die. Don't die. Thank you. Don't die, please. Look, you can just flick them. Or watch this. Just watch this. You will love this. What you do, mate? Wait, whoa there. Come back here. Come back here. Ah, wow. Ah, here we are. Not you. Don't care about you. Hey! Get here. Look, you can literally just... You can tip one of these on... upside down. Look, he's literally freaking out. What's he gonna do? He's running away. Okay. So yeah, the next vehicle is... Wait, just pass me that. Pass me this. Ah, get out. Is over here. Yep, over here. And there's multiple vehicles that you can find here, but you can only find them at night. Only night. You can't find them in the day. You have to find them at night. So like before the day starts or anything. I've never seen this many people out in Los Santos at 12 at night. Ah! That was sick. And you just keep on going towards this location right there. I'm 100%. It's the Gentry Manor. I think it's called the Gentry Manor. So you go there, and this is 100% legitimate, not clickbait or anything, because I don't believe in clickbait, if you get what I mean. I don't get why you do it. That's like somebody saying, like, say someone like has loads of friends at school or something, at college, anything, like mates, they'll be like, oh, subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Alright, it's okay doing it if you've only asked like 3 people. That's like 3 subscribers. That is not like that's not much. It's not much. So here we are at the Gentry Manor. There you go, I told you. So you have to go past this guy into this garage. Okay, it's not there. So if it's not there, you just drive around the block and everything should change, including this guy. I've just killed him, and I've just killed someone else. Wait, quick cheat. Boom. Why is somebody after me? Put your gun up. Like somebody's chasing you, yeah. You put your gun up, like they're over the other side, but they still start running away because they think they can see it. But how can they? It's not like that that like the buildings are transparent or anything. See, he isn't even there. Right, I think it's changed. Yes, it is. Yes, here's one of the vehicles. Here's one of the vehicles. Turismo is there. Boom. This is, you can find a yellow, where you can find a jester or anything like that. Like you can find jester, you can find loads of vehicles basically. And then the next one is at Los Santos Customs in Burton, West Vinewood. There's loads of vehicles that spawn in, but it isn't like 100% rate that it's gonna work. Like this car is just so nice. This is 500k car. Ah, it's not there. Ugh. If it isn't there, don't worry. If it isn't there while this video is viewing, don't worry, because like one time it will be there. Wait, the next vehicle, I don't know whether it spawns all the time, but it's a trofei ladder, and it like spawns like sometimes, but not all the time. I bet people are thinking, what the hell? You know, I've got a gold trofei ladder. Yeah, that's where I got it from. I modded it. Well, not like modded it as in like, yeah, you know, like cursed it, anything. But yeah, we're just going to take this back to our house, go to sleep, and then wake up, and then try and find this vehicle. Because sometimes, like, vehicles don't spawn in the day either. Yeah. I don't understand. This is something I don't understand about GTA. Basically, when you kill Trevor, yeah, Michael and Franklin, you know, are friends until Michael and Franklin see each other again, and they don't want to. Well, Michael starts going in a rage at Franklin because apparently he was the one who killed Trevor. Yeah, but Michael was the one who hit Trevor, and if you don't shoot Trevor, Michael will put him down. Yeah, so I'm just thought of a vote. Would you prefer to kill Michael or Trevor? Let me know down in the comments. Right, so this is Franklin's house. Look, there's my gold trophy ladder. There's proof if you didn't believe me. So I'm just going to park this outside, and nobody's going to touch it. I've got a massive collection. Right, and then we go in here. I don't understand why, like, how long have we been recording for? 9 minutes. Come on, save the game. Who the hell? What? Who's that next to Franklin on that picture? Is that Tanya or something? God. Right, okay, Franklin's awake. Franklin's awake, you know.
Another big ass mess on my property? Chop, I gotta train you to shit on the neighbor's yard.
Sorry for the bad language. Sorry for the bad language. Franklin, you're not meant to be swearing. But this isn't like modded or anything. So we're just going to take it for another ride, and we're just going to leave it. You know, because I can't bother with it. Look, I've already damaged it, so I literally couldn't care about it. See, I can't, I just don't care. Look, Dinka Jester in the middle of the streets. Yeah, but the one I'm talking about, it's upgraded and everything. You know, by the way, you can get into the vault in that bank. It's a Pacific Standard Bank off online. Oh, achoo! Yep, Franklin, you called it. You called it, my friend. Oh, right. Next up, Los Santos Customs. Why am I saying it so weird? I love this car, by the way. And on my GTA Online account on PS4, I have ordered the Dubashi 770, and I will be doing videos on that as well. Oh wow, it's not even there. Right, we're going trying to get the trophy ladder. Come on, airtime. Come on, tell me. It's not even there. We just need to keep on going around. This is so annoying. Do you reckon I should, like... There's one! I've never actually seen this one before. It's in Ponte Runa, but it's nice. This is a look at the colour on that, and it's been upgraded. It's got high level spoiler and everything. Do you reckon I should be swearing, like not much like swearing like every single second, but like swearing like a bit, like the S word, F word, yeah. And that. Do you reckon I should be doing that or not? Vote down in the comments whether I should or should not. Or shouldn't. Depends where you're from. I think that was just a tiny bit savage. Come on, be there. Wait, which one did it on? It's on this one, isn't it? No, it's not there. Right, we're just gonna... Once, yeah, I'll tell you a story. I seen a Zentorno over there, like... I think I need to, like, go, like, far away, like, quite far away. I think that'll be best. By the way, this is a bonus thing for the video. I love doing my bonuses. There's a secret tunnel where you can escape the cops 110%, even if you've got 5-star wanted level. This is the tunnel. This tunnel is used in story mode, or only for one heist, which is a jewel store job. It's this tunnel here where the motorbikes are, and then like you go down there, and like the cops will not come in here because for one they might explode the vehicles, and for two, what you doing, mate? And for two, they might they'll have to pay for the vehicles if they get damaged, which is true. No, I love just doing stunt jumps, like you know when I'm bored. Like that. But I'm crap at doing them. I like doing them, but I'm crap, to be honest. I will be uploading daily, by the way, and I will be doing like say like Lenore Johnson murder mysteries, searching for Lenore Johnson, like the ghost of Lenore Johnson, and that. But I'm stuck. I don't know where I am. I do know where I am, but oh, this is my way off. Right, okay. So we're gonna go back, see if that trophy adder's there. Should be there this time. Yes, it's there! It's there! It's there! It's there! It's there! Yes! Yes, this is a replica. Don't get in there. Don't get in that crap car. Get in this. Look. This is basically, this is GTA's version of this. That's a trophy adder. This is a Bugatti Veyron. The fastest car in the world. Bugatti Veyron. And where have I got that gold one from? Where I got that gold adder, I did not buy that online, trust me. I did not buy that online. So we're just going to go and upgrade it, because, you know, it's a bonus on the video. Second bonus of the day. I'm bad at driving, so I know cheat codes and that. See, you see his reaction. Oh my! Boom! What? I can't afford it. Bah! Damn it! Wait. I can't afford it, but I will in a minute. Don't worry. Don't worry. I will afford it right now. $45 million. Now I can afford it. Right, we're just going to fully mod this vehicle and then take it to my garage. 16-minute video. Nice. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel as always, because that helps me a lot, as you can probably guess. So I don't like neon kits, by the way. Look, this actually looks nice. Look, watch this. Look at that. There, secondary colour, metallic light blue. There you go. Look at that. Suspension, competition suspension, race to mission, turbo tuning. I love these.
Now that's a custom job.
We'll do these red, yeah? We'll do them blaze red. Tyre design, custom tyres, bulletproof, tyre smoke, Patriot. I love Patriot tyre smoke. Windows, limo. Done. Right, so guys, thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe to the bad boy channel that I have, and see you next time, brubs.